Good morning, guys. Hello. My name is Anna. I'm head coach at Leveraged. And with me today, I have, as usual, Amin. He is also our coach here at Leveraged. We are going to trade live, so please do not copy any of our trades. Always use your own analysis, your own risk management. So we are just here for entertainment. Let's see what we have in store for us today. Markets moved really nicely yesterday. And let's see what we can catch on today. And I actually already executed the trades. I got into gold buys. And I was just laughing with Amin. I'm not sure if it's smart or dumb. We will see. We will see.
Yeah, it's time I took a buy.
You took a buy as well.
Yeah, on gold and Bitcoin.
Okay. So you have two trades open. We can't see your
Yeah.
trades though. Okay, there we go.
Oh,
Buy
yeah.
on gold. And
It's
this
looking.
is Bitcoin. You're buying Bitcoin.
This is gold. This is gold.
Mm-hmm.
This is gold, and I took this level
Mm-hmm.
on target over here, but it's trying to mess with me right now.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's kind of created like that double top there, which you can clearly see on 1 minute, but I think we're still looking quite good. So that's why I took, position because it was looking okay. It was looking like a really good setup there.
Crazy drop.
It is
Crazy
crazy
drop.
drop. Good day,
And on
everyone.
Bitcoin, yeah, Bitcoin same. I took a buy.
Yeah.
Because we got the key levels on 4 hours time frame with nice rejections every time until
Yeah.
we had the confirmation of a break of head and shoulder structure. Okay, as you can
Mm-hmm.
see, shoulder, head, shoulder, break.
Mm-hmm.
Broke there.
Mm-hmm.
So I took the buy and I put stop loss below, take profit there. So for me, it's a good
Good
setup.
opportunity.
Revert
Mm-hmm.
head and shoulder structure on the key support of 4 hour time frame.
Mm-hmm.
For now, it's doing okay. So let's keep up the pump, por favor. Por favor, Bitcoin.
I know,
Don't
because
be like
Bitcoin is
gold.
under 70K again. I think it's like
Yeah,
really struggling to get that proper break of 70K.
agree.
I think maybe it's like a psychological number in the market because we do have those like round or bigger psychological numbers in the market, and then price you can see it is struggling.
Struggle.
So
Struggle is
it is
deep.
struggle. Mm.
Okay, but
Maybe
it's
that's a
making
nice
higher
pullback.
highs. Okay, maybe
Yes,
it's yeah.
that's what I'm saying. It is like a nice pullback now. It is starting to make those structural higher highs, lower highs. So we're definitely moving in the right direction. So we just need to see if that push is going to be enough or
Yeah,
we're going to melt yet
this is
again. So yeah.
this is
And
the
if
time
you are
to
a
shine.
time to shine for sure. And if you're a long-term investor, just don't watch.
Yeah,
Don't
that's
watch at
it's
all.
it's painful, guys.
I know. And then
It's
your emotions overtake you and you will make so many mistakes. And we know how it is when emotions kick in.
true.
It's it's not a good feeling at all. So yeah. For gold is okay. Pushing
Oh my god, it's pushing down.
Yeah, it's pushing down again. So it is what it is. It is what it is. You are way earlier in the trade than I am because it's like your intraday trade. So you're much
Swing
earlier.
even.
Yeah.
I took
Oh.
it on 4 hour time frame.
Mm-hmm.
We had a nice engulfing candle on this previous pin bar. So
Yeah.
for me, it was the good go to
Good
go
control. Yeah.
and take profit just below the next level to in case we have
Yeah. Yeah.
a
I
pullback on this
think
level,
it's a
you
good
know.
trade. Yeah. I think
But
that's what I'm expecting as well, the pullback. And if you look left, right, like
yeah,
to
I
more
know,
to
I
your
know,
left with that
I
big
know.
push, bearish push down, it's a really good opportunity for us to see the pullback.
Yeah, but maybe it's gonna pull back there, and then I'm done.
And then you're done. It's just gonna kiss your take profit and then it's just gonna drop. Ugh, that
Anyways,
that was okay. Anyhow, I want to talk about something though. I want to talk about oil. Okay. I
Let's go.
already showed you guys yesterday,
I
like
want to
what
take a
I'm
buy.
waiting on oil. Literally, I said, well, now we're going to push. And basically, it did happen. We went to test this support yet again. We're now looking at 1 hour time frame on crude oil. And as you can see, it did push here, 2 times. And then what's happening now? We're again moving bullish. So I think what's happening, what is
I'm gonna
going to
buy.
happen yet again is that we have like resistance in here. So, and before we can break this level, we need to properly break it, right? So we need to wait and see if the price can indeed break this. And I would actually be interested to sell from this area in here. But also, I don't know, just seeing how we had this bearish, right? And this is like a slow recovery. So actually, I think it's starting to make more sense that we're actually going to go up. And my plan
Yes.
to fill in this gap here, I think it's going to fail. Although, the most important thing is that we do follow the price action. I don't know if you have heard that, but so many times traders say price action is king. It truly is. It is really, 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 really important to follow price action and to see what it is telling you. So if I do see that the price is struggling to break here, right, then the oil might come lower again. And then I need to make sure that I'm watching here the support area if we can actually break this. So I'm just really curious to see if it's gonna break or not. But I really would like to see some, lower. And also it's simply because, oil, like I'm in Latvia now, right? And we are now paying almost like literally almost 2 euros. It's like 1.99 something six per liter for diesel, like almost 2 euros per liter. This is like insane. Insane. So I don't know. Maybe I'm just complaining. I don't know.
No, no,
If
it's
oil
everywhere.
goes
It's
down,
it's a disaster.
it's a disaster, right? And everything's gonna get more expensive. So obviously that's how everything works, right? So
Yeah.
and that's why oil is so important to go for it lower. Okay. We don't want to see hundreds
So you're
dollars
gonna
a
trade
barrel. We
on
want
the
to
Brent or WTA. Hello to PJ. Hello to
crude.
Cami.
Hello, hello. Good to have you here. No, this analysis is on crude oil, not Brent. I don't really look at Brent oil, but anyhow, I see that the gold is trying to find support there, trying to find support.
Oh,
Nice, beautiful bullish candle printing now, so it is definitely good. I just need to see that the high taken in here. Okay, so this is what I want to see for the price action
hey,
to really go bullish,
we need a
right?
higher high, guys.
We need a higher high. Exactly that. Exactly that. We need a higher high so we can be confident that the price is actually pushing bullish because currently it's still bearish. Okay. It is
Okay, I'm
still
gonna buy, guys, on Brent oil.
Oh my
I'm
god.
gonna
What are you
take
gonna
the
do?
buy.
Are you gonna put some trade on?
Yeah, I'm gonna take the buy. I will just put a buy stop
For
above
for what?
Brent.
Oh, Brent. Okay.
Yeah, it's because Brent is more bullish than WTA. So if I want to buy, I take the
Mm-hmm.
Brent. If I want to
Okay.
sell, I will take the WTA.
Oh dearie.
The structure is more bearish for WTA than Brent, so it's
Yeah.
best for me to adapt.
Mm-hmm.
So stop loss where, guys? Tick tack, tick tack, tick tack, tick tack.
Where is the stop loss?
Um,
So you're in
you,
5 minute time frame, so just below the previous bearish candle.
yeah, it's good price. Yeah, there it's good. Yeah, there
Mm-hmm.
is very good. Yeah, I will do like this. So
And then
take
your
profit,
target
guys, to the moon. Huh?
to the okay.
I'm kidding.
Okay.
But
Oh
I'm very
wow.
tempting to be to the moon, guys. Um, where,
This
guys?
is looking like an intraday trade. This is not a scalp trade anymore because look how big is your
I
stop
know, but
loss,
I took it on 5 minutes time frame, and it's
right?
crazy volatility there. So
I just want to say something, guys. If you are trading something, especially gold or oil, be very, very mindful to leave your trades open over the weekend. because you can do so if you're trading with us here at Leveraged. We allow you to keep your trades open during the weekend, but I really want to,
Careful of the
ask
gap.
for your attention, right? Ask for attention, and just make sure that your risk is managed well. Because if it gaps, your stop loss is not going to be protected. Like, it's not going to be respected at all. And if it
Oh,
gaps down or gaps up, right,
you're
it just
done.
you're done. You're cooked. That's
You're cooked.
that's what
Yeah,
that's what we would
literally
say.
cooked, guys. This
For sure,
you
cooked
don't
for
know where
real.
it's gonna gap, and you don't know how much. So it's completely mystery. So don't try to risk
Yeah.
too much because trying to catch a gap up and say, yeah, it will gap up for sure. No, you don't know, guys.
You don't know
You don't know what's
exactly. and
gonna.
and you know what, I mean, it's a good thing that you brought this up, because this is exactly what happened last week, right? When there was this big geopolitical event going on, right?
Yeah,
And everybody expected that the gold, this what happened, the gap up happened. There was a push, yes, it did push up, but then everyone was like,
boom.
the gold is gonna pump, the gold is gonna pump. And look
Yeah,
what
it was
happened.
crazy.
Literally all week, gold was just going
Bad,
bearish, bearish,
bad,
bearish, and
bad.
bearish. It
True.
was just falling down like a knife, right? And now we are starting to see some bullishness. And then what happens yesterday? Yesterday happens the meltdown. Okay.
Dip
Like
it
day
more,
before
guys.
yesterday. Exactly. More meltdowns, and gold dropped again. So now we are again trying to recover. So I don't know, like overall, I think this is a really, really good also 4 hourly support level, because after like this big crash here, we can say crash, gold
Yeah,
is now trying to recover. It's just,
I agree.
it couldn't recover all the way. It couldn't make the higher high, right? So it just pulled back completely to the lowest point. And now I think again, we could see, that the gold is trying to recover, and we could even gap up for the next week. It's just, guys, it's really, really important that you manage your risk well, and you don't just, silly open the trades in hopes that it will gap and you will win on this. It's
It's not
just such a
trading,
risky
guys.
business.
It's
It's guessing, right? It's
it's
guessing
gambling.
and gambling. Rob is here. Rob is like,
Hello.
hey ladies, Rob, the only lady here is me.
Okay, it's okay. It's small
We
jokes
need to
from
give
Rob.
him a trouble. We need to give him a trouble. I mean, we need to think of something, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
take a trade on oil, Rob.
take a trade on oil, Rob. Exactly.
Try to
Someone's
sell it.
asking, are you sure you're not trying to catch a falling knife on gold? I don't think we are. I think
It's a
so.
very strong support.
It's, yeah, it's a support there. And also, my trade is more, I would say now intraday, because I made sure I put stop loss just a bit like wider stop loss. So it does look more like an intraday trade, especially if I look at the pip amount. That's like a lot of pips, you guys. The gold is moving yet again with a lot of pips. I mean, what is your take profit for gold? Can you tell me the number?
So this is just above
What is the
this.
number?
So it's
Four seven
47.92.
4792.
Yeah,
Okay, yours is way higher than mine.
I know. I know it's a swing.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's a swing, guys. So
Oh my goodness.
but I was checking on 4 hours time frame. For me, I'm just trying to catch a pullback on 4 hours time frame.
Okay. Okay.
This is why it makes more sense to me to have this,
Mhm.
since a big drop on the key levels with a lot of confirmation of this support. So I want to
Mhm.
catch a small pullback and then I'm out. I
Yeah.
don't know if it will maybe keep dipping after it, but I don't know if it will keep going up. So
Mhm.
I just try to catch a smaller.
Did your trade got triggered for oil?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
I'm in and I'm already bullish.
Okay, let's
Oh,
go.
easy win. Easy.
Ah,
I'm
easy
kidding,
win.
guys.
It doesn't happen. Easy wins
Doesn't
doesn't
happen. There is
happen.
no easy win, guys. Huh? There is only suffering.
Mm, only suffering here. I know. Well, Rob says, I mean, I'm already long oil. Well done. Well done.
Bravo.
Okay. Amin, can you please check gold? So traders saying 4792 is the 61% retracement fib level on gold for hours. So let's put the fib in there and 4792. 4792, that is your profit.
What a beast!
Ah,
I have the eyes of Fibonacci, guys. I don't need the draw. I just have the eyes. Automatically, I know where to put the take profit and the stop loss.
yes. Oh, sorry, I said it wrong. So it's not the 61, but it's 38. So yeah, we could see the
38,
pullback.
yeah, it's around this area, yeah.
Yeah.
So my take profit is matching a strong one of the strongest level of Fibonacci levels. So often there is a reaction on it. So
Mm-hmm.
let's wait and see.
Let's wait and see. I think
So
gold is trying to pick up that bullishness, but for price action, I'll tell you what I don't like. Okay, look at my 1 minute chart. Okay, this is my 1 minute price action. Thing I don't like is that there was not a clear break in here. Okay, so this was like the high, and you can see that it didn't take it and it rejected, right? So now I really need to see some price action to push bullish to really take this high, because currently I'm still like the price is struggling. It is struggling to push bullish. So I really need some more bullish closures, bigger candle bodies, and more confirmation into saying that, okay, the price action is actually turning bullish, because now it is still struggling, okay? It is still struggling. And it is not looking too good.
yeah, it's not looking too good.
Nah,
Even
nah,
on
not.
higher time frames, it seems trying to reverse. So
Mm-hmm.
we are in
Mm-hmm.
deep water, guys. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday.
Mayday, mayday. I don't
Send
know.
some market movers, guys.
Yeah, but it still makes sense though overall, right? So this is how we should trade as traders. We have a trading plan, right? And what we do is follow the trading plan. And this is where I am trying to still figure out, and I'm trying to collect the data on my strategy, where I should say, or how should I stop when I think I'm wrong? Should I manage my stop loss, move it to break even, or close my trade completely, get out of the trade? So it's like I still learn the ways to understand based on my data what would be the best thing. And something that Amin suggested me a couple of weeks ago, I think it was, when we spoke about, Anna, how long do you want to sit in your trade? And if you sit there for too long and the price is just not moving at all, or is just doing that ping pong thing, that slow torture, okay? So it's like, when do you decide that you're going to get out? Maybe you need to put like a time limit on your trade. So these are the things that I'm trying to look into and try to understand what would be the best action for me as a trader. How can I manage my trades better to protect my capital? So do I move my stops? Do I shut down the trades based on what's going on in the market, based on price action? Do I shut them down based on how long I have been in the trade? Maybe I don't shut them down, but I take partials. Maybe I take partials at 1 hour or whatever it is, or like partials at the first high or the first low, depending if I'm buying or selling. But there's so many ways. I mean, the trading is I think this is why I have so much passion about the trading, because there are so many probabilities. And overall, something me and Amin always say is that this is a probability business. This is a probability game. And we just decide, what's more, bullish or bearish? What's the percentage? 50% bullish, 50 bearish, maybe 80 bullish, 20 bearish, then we can buy, or other way
Sure.
around. But it's all about probabilities. Probability game. And now our probabilities are not in our favor for sure for gold, because it is moving not in the way we want it to, because we can see the bears, right? The bearish price action is still in control. And you can see that by the momentum of candles, what's going on right now. We can see that the price is pushing lower, which is not good at all. And
Ah,
and if this low is taken, then most likely we're going for this low. So yeah, probably, I don't know.
mama.
Mama, please save me. But I hope this all makes sense though. Um I think this all makes sense. At least it does make sense for me. So I'm still going to sit in my trade because, overall bullish. By the way, after the stream yesterday, I got chicken legs. I was
Ah,
like, look at this level, okay? Look at this level. Beautiful support. Now it's going to be used as a support. And
mhm.
I sat in my trade because it was just like doing that like ping pong. And I thought, nah, because we failed to make a high, I'm just going to get out. And then obviously next 20 minutes and it just goes to my profit. And I'm like, what is this happening? And the same thing happened in here. I closed my trade in a little minus here and it went to my profit, like literally. And the same thing happened in here. I close my trade and it goes to my profit. And this is why I tell you that I don't like interfering with my trades. I just don't. I think aftermath, when you close your trade early, is worse than when you lose or win. Obviously, winning is great, but like I think I would not be as upset if I would lose it because I would be
Yeah,
like,
you have
oh,
some regrets,
some regrets, exactly.
and this is
Emotions
not
get
good.
in, exactly, and then that emotional loop, and I get stuck in that
It's
loop.
better to
And
accept the loss than having some
exactly,
regret, guys.
exactly, exactly.
In the long run, it's not good. The regret. This is how you build up some revenge or FOMO, etc. after it. So
Yep,
it's from the regrets.
exactly. Exactly. And these are the things that we talk about with traders all the time on coaching sessions. It's more like trying to understand where are your triggers, like emotional triggers, where did they come from? And I say that they for myself, they come from the fact that I interfere with my trade. So that's why like I am very cautious with interfering with my trades because I know if I do, and then if the price goes my way, I will leave an open space for emotions to start to stir in there and then just go on woohoo on this loop, right? So, yeah, guys, what's happening here now is also not good. It's kind of messing with this. Okay, so support here, but we can see that the price is pushing lower and we are breaking the low. So now this is the moment what we like to say, it's now or
It's
never.
the last wall
If
of defense,
it's a last wall of defense if
and then we
we do
become
push for
bearish.
exactly, exactly. Then we're turning bearish, which is not great, but it is what it is. Baris is saying, would you put the sell stop order just below your stop loss if you think it's going to run on the next support? No, I'll tell you why. What actually I would like to do is I like to trade with, so this stop loss in here is quite wide one. Normally, if I would like, get in here, I would just put my stop loss below like support zone. So my stop would be in here. So basically, because I like to trade break and retest, so I don't like to put the sell stop orders in there because I don't have a confirmation. What if it's just a wick? And then I'll end up like my stop is going to be hit. I'm going to be selling in the trade and I might be wicked and the price is turning bullish. So now I'm going to end up not only with one loser, but with two. So for me, it's just
Let's
too
go.
risky. Let's go. For me, it's just too risky. So what I would like to do is if I am wrong, okay, then what I will see, my stop is taken. And then I'll be like, okay, I was wrong in this. We have broken this level. Now I see that the support is not holding anymore. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait for a proper break, retest, and then I'm entering. And then I'm taking the risk again on and I'm saying, I'm ready to risk with this. But sell stops or buy stops, they just never worked for me. I just could not justify the fact that I'm just taking a loss, I'm entering again, but there's no really proper confirmation in place. It's just, yeah. Anyhow, um, you have a million more trades, Anna, for sure. For sure. If I live that long. Who knows what's going to happen tomorrow?
1
Oh
million
my
trade. This is a lot.
God. Okay.
So, guys, don't forget to come today at the stream on Discord to get the last day of events with the 3 free accounts of $10,000 on Sprint.
Mm-hmm.
So it's today, guys. I will post again the hour on Discord to make you ping. Yesterday we've been a lot. think it was the biggest number we had. I had to mute everyone. Sorry, guys, it was too much noise. But yeah, let's do it on this Friday and enjoy the weekend after it. But I would love to have my winning trades before.
Mm.
Otherwise, it will be a pain on a weekend
How is
full
your
of pain.
how is your oil looking? How
My
is
oil
your
is
oil?
is is good. Is good.
Is it pumping?
Yeah, slowly.
Let's
But yeah,
go.
I'm greedy. Oh,
Let's
no,
go.
no. My take profit is at the top. So
Take profit
why not?
to the
Why not?
moon.
Why not aiming for the top of the mountain?
Take profit to the moon. Come on, let's go.
This is very good. So let's wait.
Oh
I'm
my
very.
goodness.
I like the setup.
Uh,
It's okay, guys. I have my stop loss. I'm not risking that much, so I'm. Even if I have a gap down, it will not exceed a certain amount from how much I risked. But the take
mhm,
profit, if it's it, excellent it will be. So I will wait and see how it will be. But yeah, it's unlikely that I will reach my take profit today, but we never know.
mhm.
We never
But
know.
we never know. We never know. We
Only in
might.
the morning. So we still have a room to pump.
So you're gonna leave your trade. Do you think you're gonna leave your trade over the
Yeah,
weekend?
for the three trades because they are swing trades. For
Mm-hmm.
gold, I took it on 4 hours time frame.
Mm-hmm.
So I will let it be. On Bitcoin, same.
Well, but
So
Bitcoin is open over the weekend though, so
yeah, true.
no gaps in there for sure. Well,
The
there could
question is
be.
for oil. The main issue is oil.
Mm-hmm. I think
Um,
so too.
so
I
if I
really.
let it for the weekend, I may increase the stop loss
Mm-hmm.
to make it
Mm-hmm.
below this week.
Yeah.
It will be more corresponding to the risk to reward and size preparation of any gap. But look the gap on the left, guys. That's crazy gap.
Crazy gap. I know.
How
Crazy
much
gap.
peep is that? So what happened if I have the reverse? I'm cooked.
You you are cooked for sure.
See, it's crazy gap, and it if it does at the top, it can doing the same at the bottom. So after the
Yeah.
gap, a full drop. It was a full drop, very fast. So
Mm-hmm.
if you're
Mm-hmm.
sleeping in the night, surprise,
Yeah.
surprise.
Surprise, surprise. I know. So gold is trying to slowly push. It
Slowly.
just unfortunately we don't see enough good momentum on gold. So I don't know. Maybe I
I
should
don't
get just
know.
another chicken legs, yet another chicken legs. And I bet you what's gonna happen. Once I close my trade, it's just gonna shoot to the moon.
I know this is why the trade I took are sometimes when I have it's too much chicken legs, I just lower the risk. Like this,
Lower the risk.
I'm still on the trade. Don't have that much of regret compared
Yeah.
to not
Yeah, but
having
my
the trade
risk
at
is
all.
so small anyways. It's just
So
like,
let it be then.
then let it be. I think so, yeah. Yeah. By the way, you guys, now since I'm on C Trader, you have no clue how happy I am. It's just like
You know what,
like
guys? On
Amin
Monday
said,
I'm
you did
done.
the job.
This is the last
Yeah.
week for me. On Monday I'm back to my account on Trader. Let's
Monday
go.
back to trading C Trader.
Yeah, because
My
for my
goodness.
eyes it's better.
Hey Rob, by the way, like these accounts that me and Amin, we have,
I don't
we
know how much. I stop at counting.
stop counting. Obviously, we're using them for streams. You're using them for fun as well. Sometimes, sometimes I do it on my coaching sessions. I would go on account and I would be like, okay, now I'm going to show you what not to do.
Yeah, how to overtrade.
How to overtrade. It's like the best thing. I love to do it. Like,
It's
I
truly
love
for
to.
show, guys. It's really for show.
And, sometimes like I watch the trader, right? And when I enter a lot of trades or when I take the bigger risk, you can see their facial expression change, and they're like, whoa, because it's like it triggers them because they've been there. And even triggers me when I do this, like when or when you hear like that sound when you enter. So now I actually have removed all my sounds for MT5 or C Trader.
Really?
I always remove the sounds. Yeah,
Trigger,
it really
trigger crazy, huh?
it exactly, it's like
It's
it just
crazy trigger. This
affects
is
me, like,
crazy. I
I'm like,
just,
"I can't do this." No, it
I
just
think, yeah, you are
triggers.
right. It's best to have it silent. Be calm, be
Yeah,
water, guys.
for sure. For sure. For
This is
sure.
smart
It's
choice.
something triggers. I love what Rob says there, sea
Trade fun.
traitor.
Yeah,
Sea
and she's
traitor.
right.
Oh my. When you started to trade 1 minute, I actually started gold 1 minute scalping last year, October, I believe.
Yeah,
October, September, October. So that's when I was like starting to focus on it. And I really need to sit down and collect more data until I can fully commit to this strategy. So we'll see. But I mean, your trades are looking great. Look at all
I
blue.
know. I
Beautiful.
know.
This
I
is what we
know.
love to see as
I
traders. We
love
just
this
love to
kind of
see blue.
history.
My goodness.
So let's keep it that way.
Look at this. Wait. Go in public, play the sound, see how many heads turn. Like,
Oh, this is
you
good
know,
one.
it's a
This is
reaction.
good
I think
one.
for those who trade futures or like they trade on different platforms, there is like a voice order filled. That's
Yeah,
like
yeah, yeah. It's
that's that's a trigger for sure.
dramatical.
Yeah. Okay, gold is not looking too good, by the way, for me. However, I'm going to leave my trade. I'm not going to have chicken legs. I'm going to leave my trade. If it is stop loss, it is stop loss. So,
So yeah,
yeah,
for me, what I saw that the best to avoid chicken legs is to not
lower
watch
the risk.
the. No, this is the one you have to watch, but the best is to not watch the chart the chart. Put the
Right.
trade and be out
And then spin.
directly, not wait 1 second, and you will manage the trade better because you are not watching the trade.
Mm, that is true. Speaking about like not watching the trades, so I used to trade intraday, and I would do my analysis on higher time frames. So for example, 4 hour time zones, because I found that 4 hour was more reliable than 1 hour.
More clean.
So I would have my 4 hour time zones, and then I would go in 15 minutes, and I would not go lower than 15 minutes, like ever. I would not look at the price action lower than 15 minutes. And what I would do is I would use alerts, and
Yeah,
basically
good.
15-minute candle, right? It just prints 4 candles in 1 hour, right? So for me, there was like less stress. So this is what I'm still struggling with when it comes to scalping, is that you always need to be on the chart, and it feels like
Yeah, it's
you
stressful.
just always have that anxiety,
Exactly.
or
You
I don't know,
suffocate.
excitement,
This is
or
why it's more stressful, guys, to scalp than other time frames.
well, that's why we say if you're a beginner, do not
Not
attempt scalping first. It's a suffering, okay? Just
true.
attempt higher time frames, learn the same price action but on higher time frames, and then test it. Test it out. Make yourself comfortable with these moves that happen over a bigger time period and not like this. So just like, go test it out. Get yourself comfortable, feeling good, and then you can go and scalp. But even for me, scalping is whoa, we did break.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
did
yeah.
break.
This is bad. This is
This
bad.
is bad. This is
Mayday,
the
mayday. I
end.
repeat. Mayday, mayday.
Mayday, mayday, help us, help us. So basically, I think now what's happening, sellers are stepping in, because I know for sure so many traders are selling at this moment because the previous 1 minute candle broke the zone and we are pushing lower.
Yeah, coffee is pumping, guys.
Ah, speaking about coffee, I need to drink my coffee. It's cold now.
Coffee is pumping, guys. I think this is the time. Huh? It's,
You watching coffee charts?
it's nicely
You
bullish.
are.
It's, it's nicely bullish. So gold, guys, this is bad. I don't like the price action at all
Mm.
in all time frames. It's not good in
On all
all
time
time frames.
frames.
Yeah. So we still have a level, but yeah, it's the bottom of this 5 minutes time frame. If we break this, I'm fully cooked for and also Anna.
Yeah.
Anna is cooked very soon if you keep dipping. So
There's
hopefully,
no hope anymore. There's no hope in gold anymore for us.
yeah, this is very gold is without mercy, you guys. Huh? That's for sure. That we saw for the past few weeks. No mercy from gold.
No mercy for gold. Also, guys, I do want to say, I see a question here. Anna, can you summarize how you mark your support and resistance levels? How many touch is valid for you and when support resistance is invalid
Good
for you?
question.
So, guys, I am going back with daily webinars starting next week. They are starting 12 p.m. GMT time. And we're going to have daily topics. So keep your eyes peeled, go into your dashboards under Academy. You will have webinars and you will be able to register for them. So, and you can only attend webinar if you register. And even if you can't make live, you can register for it and then you can watch the replay. And webinars are going to be short. I'm not going to take a lot of your time, but I really want to talk about like the main key topics. And one of them is definitely going to be the support and resistance, how we can spot it and how we can train our eyes, basically how I have trained my eyes over the years, how I can spot these support and resistance levels. So there's definitely going to be topic on that for webinars, but they are starting back next week. So you will be able to see me in webinars 12 p.m. every day, Monday to Friday, in webinars. And I'm really excited for that. Rob is asking, do you like tea, Anna? I do. I love a good like English breakfast with milk tea, but I'll tell you what. I lived in Scotland and tea was lovely. And then I moved to Latvia and tea is I can't like it's not nice. And you know what I figured? It's the milk, you guys. It is the
Oh,
milk. Because in Scotland, I believe, the milk is different for cows because I drink like a normal milk. I don't drink like nuts milks or soya milk or whatever.
okay.
I drink like a real milk. And then I figured that the
All the same
cows in
taste.
Scotland are different. So therefore, they're just, the milk tastes different. And that milk taste is
Crazy.
changing the tea taste. So yeah, but when I'm back in Scotland, I was back in Scotland like last year. All I did was just drink
Bring
tea.
some milk. Bring
I
some
was
milk
like in
next time.
tea heaven, just drinking tea all the
I
time.
agree.
Oh my.
Hello to Jem. Bravo, Gabriel. Nice job.
Oh wow. Anna passed leverage 10K turbo funded account. Excited to learn. Let's go. Now, the main thing is I always say this, guys. Passing or reaching a profit target, it's just the littlest thing. It's just like a first small step. The biggest step now is to stay funded and stay consistent. And
Yeah.
what I see normally, the first day trading funded account, that's where traders are struggling the most. There's overconfidence, there's this excitement, there's this, like I like to say, the emotional cocktail in there. So please make sure that you're really rooted in your plan, that you're executing according to your plan and not according to your emotions. Okay, it's great that you achieve this is great and awesome. Just please make sure you trade according to your plan. Do you trade ICT concepts? Any favorite setup? Oh, ICT. I mean, all respect to the guy, but I mean, stop laughing. Stop laughing. ICT is great. I've seen many traders take his concept and then create their own. So it's like just use his ideas, but then create your own with a clear plan. And because ICT is massive. It's like there are so many setups that you can trade. Like I even don't know, like silver bullets and all these fair value gap setups and all that kind of thing. Just like make sure that you make it into your own with a properly tested trading plan and risk management. So, but other than that, I don't have anything against any strategy, as long as it's working for you, then I'm good. And as long as it is not prohibited strategy based on our terms and conditions. And you can find prohibited strategies in our frequently asked questions. Anyhow, guys, Once again, congratulations to you for reaching funded account. And me and
Bravissimo.
Amin, we are going to go off. But you guys, I hear there's going to be the easiest giveaway in Discord because we're celebrating 10,000
10,000
members.
accounts.
I know, 10,000 accounts giveaway, right? No, you guys, I didn't say it. I know.
No, 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 no.
There is something very, very special going, and it's going to be posted today in announcement. So please keep your eyes peeled. It's going to be the easiest way how you can participate in a giveaway, and we're going to give away a lot. So let's go, guys. I'm super, super excited. Join our Discord, where Amin is also going to be later on streaming on Discord and also on X. And also, Amin is giving 3 accounts away, 10K sprint accounts. And you guys, also, I forgot to say that we do have a promotion running with 30% off. So you can use code. I'll put it in here. You can use a code, and that is going to give you 30% off. 30% off all programs.
It's crazy,
go.
30%, guys, because in the other prop films, it's 20% when they have a
Mhm.
reduction, and us, we just crash all
Crash.
competition.
No, to be honest, you guys, if you have noticed, we don't do a lot of discounts. So we don't really do a lot of discounts for all the programs. So now and then we do go in, and when we do go in, then we go in big. So now is your opportunity. I know so many of you wanted to trade senior accounts, executive accounts. So now it is your opportunity to secure those
Big.
accounts and yeah, and make that investment in yourself. But obviously, always remember, risk with what you can afford to lose, and only join if you're ready to trade those bigger capitals. And if you're a beginner, then turbo accounts are great because you don't need to put a lot of money behind it. You just pay $8.88, and then you can get funded. And once you're funded, you can pay your activation fee. And you guys, code does not apply for activation fees on Turbo. Okay, so it's only for the programs. But other than that, we are done. We are getting busted by gold. I actually got stopped
Yeah,
out.
it's hateful to trade gold, guys.
Mm. Rob has his opinion on ICT. It's okay. You can hate, you
It's
can
okay,
love.
guys.
It's all good. But
Just
anyhow, I was
flash
stopped
names.
out.
Just all from strong basics of the price action, and they just come up with the different names. It's just like some people will say, I trade the strategy of boomerang. It's just a pullback, in fact. so, so stick to the basics, and you will see that you will find out all these same different name strategies from that.
Mm-hmm.
You
Same as supply
master the
and demand.
basics, and you will be able to do anything after it. But if
Right.
you start
And you
directly
guys,
to do other stuff, you will suffer because you
you will
will.
suffer. That's very
Yeah,
encouraging. I mean, thank you so much.
you're welcome,
Also,
guys.
I do want to, I want to
Basics.
encourage you guys. I do want to encourage you actually. If you're a funded trader with us, you can get a coaching session from myself or Amin. Unfortunately, my schedule is fully booked for the next 2 weeks, but Amin is still available. So if you're a funded
Hello.
trader, please reach out to amin@getlivers.com, and he will send you the link where you can sign up for your one-on-one coaching session. Use that, guys. Use those coaching sessions. They are really, really good. Sometimes you just need a support. Sometimes you need encouragement. Sometimes you just need to speak with someone. Sometimes you just need to, shake off your negative feelings. And we're there for that. Okay. Please use this one-on-one coaching session opportunity and come and chat with us. Come and talk to us. And yeah, that's all good. Right. Okay, guys. Gold kicked me yet again, but it is okay. It is fine. I'm good.
Of trading,
I'm
guys.
upset, but I'm good. I'm good. Let's see. Maybe now also before I go, I need to. Okay, I do have my arrow there, so I'm leaving my arrow there because I'm like, come on, oil, just move lower for once. Like we need cheaper prices for the diesel, and
I don't know.
I don't know. So, anyhow, right, guys, thank you so much. I really want to say thank you so much for watching. And please, if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel and also put thumbs up. And we will catch you on Monday. And Amin is going to be later on in Discord and on X. Right, guys, take care.